We were doing statistics.
Sir, so you're on the 13.2A. Did it.
13.2. Okay. We
We
did
did it. We
till
did
question
it.
5 yesterday.
Yes, sir, I did question 6 and 7.
Sir,
7.
I
And
tried the 9 question, but I couldn't understand the question 9.
I'll solve 9th. And what about 6 and
Yes.
Paris? Did you try
Okay.
these? 6, 7, 8?
Yes, sir, I tried these.
And you got the correct answer?
Yes, I will check the answers.
Yes, sir, I got this correct answer too.
Okay. What about question 8?
So I was confusing question 8 and 9.
Yes, 8 and 9.
Start with 8.
Yes. Yes.
Exercise 13.2A. Pages 419. And question number 8.
Yes.
Now, question 8 says the total mass of 6 gymnast is 540 kgs. And the mean mass of 14 ballet dancers is 40 kgs. Find the mean mass of the group of 20. Okay. We know mean is a sum of numbers divided by number of numbers. So I already know that total of 6 is 540. Then when we talk about 14 people, so sum of 14 people, weight of sum of 14 people divided by 14 is equals to 40. Any objection in this data?
Yes.
No, sir.
So we can get the sum total mass, that is 14 to 14. And let me grab my calculator. So this is 40 times 14 gives me 560. Now, who will tell me the total mass of 20 people?
Total
Mass of those 6 people was
540.
Uh,
So, sir, it will
50,
be 540 over
540.
20 times. Yes, sir.
540. And mass of these 14 people is
560, sir.
560.
Plus
560. So
560.
now we have the total for 20 people. This is 540 plus 560, that is,
1100.
Yes, sir.
1100.
and divided by 20, total number.
55.
So we get an
55.
average mass of 55
55.
kgs. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
General formula could be, general formula whenever we have two types, suppose class A and class B. So we can say number of people in class A, we can say average of A into number of people in class A will give us total mass, plus average of B into number of people in group B divided by NA plus NB number of people will give us mean, combined mean.
Yes, sir.
So if we use this formula, so I already know that total of 6 people is 540. So first class is already 540 plus the second class. We know that there were 14 people and average was, let me write it in the other order. Average was 40 into number of people were 14 divided by 6 plus 14. So 540 plus 560 divided by 20. 1100 by 20 is equals to 55. So you go about the concept or you use this formula, both results in the same answer. Question number 9. The mean mass of 8 leopards is 55. So when we are talking about leopards, mean is equals to 55 and number of leopards is equals to 8.
Mm.
And the mean mass of group of red kangaroo. So when we are talking about the kangaroo, mean is equals to 52. The mean mass of group of red kangaroo is 52. The mean mass of all the animals is this. So combined mean is given. So basically number of kangaroo is unknown. So how many red kangaroos are there? Now we know that whenever we are talking about combined mean, we need to write the total in the numerator. So for the leopards, may I write 55 into 8 will be the total?
Yes.
And let's say this unknown
Yes,
is
sir.
x or n. And we can say total for kangaroo is 52 into total number of kangaroo divided by the grand total. How many leopards are there and how many kangaroo are there? I'm using n for this. And combined mean is already given, that is 53.2. Before we move on, try to understand this rectangle. We are individually talking about two different groups, leopards and kangaroo.
Kangaroos.
So formula is mean is equals to total mass, that is sum, over number. So if you were talking about leopards, this was 55. Total was unknown and there were 8 leopards. So total would be 55 into 8 will give me the total mass of
Yes.
leopards. So this is 55 into 8. Then we have on the other side for the kangaroo. Kangaroo would give us the same, that is average multiplied by number of kangaroos. Any doubt? This is
No, sir.
52n because number of kangaroo is unknown. And how many total are there? There were 8 leopards and there are n kangaroos. So total is n plus 8. So total mass of leopards, total mass of kangaroo divided by grand total equals to the given combined mean. Now there's only one unknown and we can solve that. So 55 into 8 gives me 440 plus 52n, and this denominator goes and multiplies on the other side. 53.2 times 8 is 425.6 plus 53.2n. And I'm taking the numbers on left hand side. 440 minus 425.6 is equals to 53.2n minus 52n. So 440 minus 425.6, I'm left with 14.4. On the other hand, 53.2 minus 52 is 1.2. And n would equal 14.4 divided by 1.2. That is 12. So there were 12 kangaroos. In your free time, do redo this question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and question 8 as well. So you get the formula on green. Just for quick understanding, mean of leopards was 55, number of leopards were 8. Now we know that mean of kangaroo was 52 and number of kangaroos were 12. Firstly, this was unknown. So if someone would ask combined mean, what will we do? We will add grand total mass 55 into 8
Not the two.
plus 52 into 12 and divided by 8 plus 12 and we'll get 53.2.
Yes, sir.
It was
Okay.
initially given and one of the mass was number was unknown. Question number 10. Find the mean and the median for the set of numbers. So
Yes,
they are
easy.
in order which average best describes. Okay. So this is 1 and we have 3 of 3's, 4, 6 and 99. So we are finding mean. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 99 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. And I'm using calculator.
17.
Thank you. So 17. Mean is equals to 17. And when we talk about the median, so 1, 2, 3, this is the middle number. Median is
Yes.
equal to 3.
3.
Now, this statement says which average best describes the set of numbers. So, if you have to give this information to someone, will you
Yes.
go with the mean or the median?
We'll go for median.
Median.
Okay, one vote is for median. Ali,
Yes.
Sir,
mean or median?
median.
Median, that's right. Whenever there is a value too large, we call
Yes.
that outlier. So, normally we ignore that value and solve the others. If we will just find this mean of these values, that would be closer to the median.
Yes, sir.
Question number 11.
Yes.
In history test,
108.62%.
go on, Haris.
Yes, Andrew got 62%. For the whole class, the mean mark was 64% and the median mark was 59%. Which average should Andrew use to claim that he is in the top half of the class?
Okay, so we have this scale. Let me do it this way. This should be 100% and this is 0. For the whole class, the mean is 64. 64% mean, and the median mark is 59. 59 median. And
Yes.
Andrew is at 62. Andrew is equals to 62%. It would be somewhere here. So Andrew
Yes.
is scoring this. The mean of the class is actually more than Andrew's. And what should he do? Which average should Andrew use to claim that he is in the top half of the class? Which is pretty much obvious. Which would he choose? Median is actually 50%, right? So half of the class is lies on this side, other half lies on this side. So if he claims the average of median, then he is in the upper half of the class, top half of the class. Any doubt in this?
Um, so can you repeat again?
Okay, I'll
I
do it
couldn't
again.
understand.
Andrew scored 62%. And the question says in this statement, which average should Andrew use to claim that he is
Oh,
in top half of the class? So if he talks about the median, if he comes home and tell that the median is 59 and I am in the top half, one who is scoring 25 is in the lower half, one who is scoring 58 is also in the lower half. So Andrew, if he comes home and tells that the median of class is 59 and I lie in the top half, he would be correct. If he comes home and tells that the average of class is 64, so anyone would say you are a below average student.
oh,
So
okay, now I understand.
which average will he claim? He will claim
Median.
question number 12. The mean age of three people is 22 and their median age is 20. The range of their age is 16. How old is each person? So mean age of three people is 22. Mean is equal to first, second, and third person divided by 3, where mean is 22 and 1, 2, and 3. I'm just representing this data this way. And their median age is 20. The middle one is somewhere at 20. First one is less than 20 and the other is more than 20. The range of their ages is 16. Would that mean the difference in these two values is 16?
Yes.
So when I
Yes, sir.
multiply this, do I get 66 is equals to first box 20 plus second box?
Yes. So,
Now, sure, sure, go on.
sir, but we only have two box. So now what we'll do? So we don't have.
If I take 20 on the other side,
Yes.
I now know that 46 is equal to sum of these two.
Yes.
And in the left hand box, the mean age of three people is 22 and their median age is 20. The range of their ages is 16. We may have different answers. For example, if I say this is 19, if this is 19, so 46 minus 19. I just wrote 19 to make it less than 20. So 46 minus 19, I'm left with 27.
20. Yes, certainly. Okay.
But I also know that the range is 16. So 19 minus 27 is 8. That cannot be. So let me think of two numbers which are 16 apart from each other. So let's say this is x and this would be x plus 16. And
We
now I'll
try.
one answer.
Mhm.
So x plus 16 is actually equal to
Mhm.
46.
Yes.
2x is equals to 46 minus 16. 2x is equals to 30. X is equals to 15. So clearly, this first age is 15. And the second age is 15 plus 16, that is 31. So the
Okay.
ages are 15, 20, and 31. When we use this data, we get a mean of 22 and a range of 60.
Yes.
Clear,
Yes, sir.
Ali?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next topic, frequency tables. Have you studied probability?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, somehow frequency tables would also reflect as probability tables. More the frequency means more the probability of that event to occur. Let's see if we have any comparisons or overlapping with probability in this chapter. So straight away when we come on to the example, okay, no, sorry, this is just mean median mode. So how to find mean median mode from the tables?
This is it.
Okay, so when we have tables, let's say we have values 1, 2, and 3, and we have frequency 2, 3, and 5. So how do we find mean? Formula for mean is summation fx over summation f. This
Yes.
sign means sum. So what do we do? 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5 divided by sum of frequency 2 plus 3 plus 5. So 2, 6, 15 by 10. 2 plus 6 plus 15 is 23. By 10, mean is 2.3. Any doubt?
No,
No.
sir.
Have you previously done this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You remember that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For the sake of concept, I'm expanding it to raw data. We've already done raw data. This is tabular form. May I say 1 actually appears 2 times
Yes, sir.
and 2 appears
Three times.
3 times?
Three appears 5 times.
3 appears 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. So
Yes, sir.
this is a raw data, and we have converted into tabular form. So individually, we would have added 1 plus 1, which is actually 1 into 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 2 into 3.
Yes,
3
sir.
plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 3 into 5,
Yes, sir.
divided by the total, which was 10. That is mean. Now,
Yes, sir.
keep this raw data in mind, and we are going to find the median. I think I should draw it here so we have everything in one screen. So when we talk about median, look in the raw form. I know these are 10, and I know fifth and sixth is the middle number. So I can say 2 plus 3 divided by 2, that makes it 5 by 2. 2.5 is the median. Any objection?
No.
No, sir.
But when we look at the table, in table, I just wrote this at random. I took an example. In table, you will get one answer clearly. But in this case, let me complete it. We know frequency, sum of frequency is 10. That means even. So n plus 1 by 2, that is 10 plus 1 by 2 gives me 5.5. I need to know which term is 5.5. So when I start counting here, how many terms are done?
Mm,
2. And then when I proceed, how many terms are done?
5.
5. I should know, looking at this 5.5, I should know I need the fifth term plus the sixth term. So if
Yes,
5
sir.
are complete, I'm sure that opposite to that 2 is the term. And
Yes,
for
sir.
6, I'm bound to go forward, and the sixth number would be 3. Now come to raw data. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the sixth number, I'm again counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So fifth and sixth divided by 2, we get 2.5. And what is the mod?
Mod is 3.
Mod is 3.
3.
Most
Yes, sir.
frequent, most occurring number. So let's try these numbers. The mark obtained by 100 students in a test were as follows. So luckily, sum of frequency is already given. Mark is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and frequency is given. Find the mean mark.
It will be 1 times 19. Sorry, 0 times 4. 1 times 19 is.
When I'm writing, meanwhile, you can use your calculator as well. Divided by 100.
But I think so it's 0 multiplied by 4 at the first.
0 into 4, yes. Thank you. I'm getting a total of 248.
Yes. Divide with 100.
Yes, sir.
Mean is 2.4.
Yes, sir.
Second says the median mark. Now we already know these are 100. So basically 50th and 51st number, I'm interested in these two. So when I keep
Yes,
on
sir.
adding, this is 4. And when I move forward, how many are these? 4 plus 19,
23. 23.
23. And when I move more, 23
48.
plus 25 is 48. So till now, we are not close to 50 and 51. So we are bound to move more, and we are very sure that within this class, we have both 50 and 51.
Yes, sir.
So
It's
3 by 2 would be
77.
3 only.
Yes, sir.
That was just a coincidence in this example, which I just wrote at random. You will have questions like these. Clear boundary for median. And what
Yes, sir.
the mod for this data?
3.
3 again. Okay, this was solved example. These are the questions. A group of 50 people were asked how many books they had read in the previous year, and the results are shown in the frequency table below. Calculate the mean number of books read per person. So 0, 5 times is 5. I'm just using this. This is 5, 6, 2 times 12, 9, 3 times 27, 44, 35, 24, 14, 8. And now we add them. 5 plus 5 plus 12 plus 27 plus 44 plus 35 plus 24 plus 14 plus 8. I'm getting a total of 174 divided by 50. Do not do it this way in exam. How will you do it? The writing style should be this for mean. Okay. Show complete steps. You will have 1 to 2 questions in exam. Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2 says a number of people were asked how many coins they had in their pocket, and the results are shown below. Calculate the mean. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm not doing it on the paper. So let's just compare our answers.
Okay. Question. Find
First,
the which is it? Option.
we'll move it so it's easy to read.
Yes, we can do question three, I think. Mm,
We are doing two first, then we'll
Okay.
compare answers.
Okay. Just need to. Okay. 42.
I'm getting 3.475. Mostly there are careless mistakes in the type of questions. G. What are your answers?
Loading.
1 second. Yes, sir, I got the same answer. 3.475.
Very good. That means my answer is also correct.
Yes, sir.
Aris, did you get it?
Yes, I also got it.
Very good. And now let's see if we get some different type of questions. The following tables give the distribution marks of this. For each table, find the mean, median, and mod.
We can do this one.
Mean and find median. And what is the mod? Just state that.
Okay. Mod.
Mod. Yeah.
Uh,
Mod.
Oh, yes, yes, sorry, I forgot. Yes, mod. Yes. Mm,
Which one is it?
The common one. So it will be
Most common, most occurring, most frequent.
There is
yes,
3.
3. Yes, 3.
Yes, it is 3.
3.
Because the highest frequency is 9 and 3 is occurring 9 times. So mod is 3. Now solve for median only.
Median, okay.
Yeah. 3 times 9 is 24. 24 times 9 is 120. 120 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 times 9 is 120. 1 Didn't do it yet?
Sir, I'm one mistake.
One
I'm
second, sir.
completing the mistake.
I'm interfering.
Sir, median will be
What is the total of these numbers?
3.
Correct.
Okay,
Median.
yes, sir.
Haris, total is sum of
Uh,
frequency.
yes.
What is it?
40.
40.
40. Yes,
So
40.
we know n plus 1 by 2, that is 40 plus 1 by 2 gives me 20.5.
Yes, sir.
40 means we need 20th number and 21st number.
Yes, sir.
So now, Haris, when we keep on counting, I'm slowly moving forward and counting. This is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 till here. Then 8 plus 8 is 16. And I need to reach 20 and 21. And 16 plus 9 is 25. So actually,
Yes,
this
sir.
line covers that 20 and 21st. So 3 is my median number.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do the same with B part. Let me do B part with you and I'll give C to you. So we have sum of frequency, that is 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3. Sum of frequency, I'm getting 20. Sum of frequency is 20. Now each time I'm not going into the formula because this is a very easy number and we know middle number would be 10th and 11th. Any doubt in 10th and 11th?
No, sir.
Now see, 1 plus 3 is 4. I'm
10,
not
11, and
close to
12.
10 and 11. So when
10,
I
11.
add 7, this becomes 11.
11.
Basically, 10th and 11th number are covered in these numbers and it is 17. Median is equal to 17. Any doubt in concept?
No, sir.
No, sir.
If I just write them as raw data, may I write 15, 16, 16, 16, and then I'm writing 17 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what are we basically doing? We are reaching 10th and 11th number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10th number and this is 11th number. So both are same. So our median is 17.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
By C part.
Only
But
median? Median?
The
okay.
only median because we've practiced mean
Yes,
and
sir.
mod is straight away the common answer. Let's give some time to median.
Okay.
Sir, it was
15.
n plus.
Do I need to go back?
The formula it was n plus 1 over
N
4.
plus 1 over 2.
Yes, sir, 2. Yes. Uh, 45.
I'm done.
Sir,
4.
Shabash. That is very good. Median is 4.
yes, sir, 4. I
Haris, when
got it.
you find a answer next time, keep it loud.
Okay, sir.
Very good. It is 4.
Yes, sir, I got 4.
Question number 4. Now let's do it complete. 100 golfers, sum is already given, play a certain hole and their scores are summarized below. I will write each and every step. This is how you need to do in exam. Sometimes mean is represented by number and bar over it. But when we are not using symbols, we can only write mean as well. So mean is equals to sum of fx over sum of f. First step. Now I'm showing all those steps. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7 plus 4 into 24 plus 5 into 31. I'm short on space, I'm writing it here. Plus 6 into 18 plus 7 into 11 plus 8 into 7. Divided by the sum is already given that there were 100 golfers. So I'm writing 100 directly, or else I would have written 2 plus 7 plus 24 plus 31 plus 18 plus 11 and then 7. Now I'm using calculator and writing the numerator first directly. 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7 plus 4 into 24 plus 5 into 31 plus 6 into 18 plus 7 into 11 plus 8 into 7 gives me 517, and mean would be 5.17. There could be a careless mistake in writing the number or punching the button on calculator. So keep it slow. Now the median. So we already know there are 100 golfers. So we know that we need 50th and 51st number. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 24 is 33. 33 plus 31 is 64. So this 64 covers my 50th and 51st number. So my median is 5. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Question 5 is getting interesting. If the concept is clear, we'll be able to do question 5 and so on. Now, median and mean would be given, and we'll find those numbers. Question number 5. The number of goals scored in series of ice hockey game was following. Number of goals 1, 2, 3. Games were 8, 8, and unknown. Mean is given. Find x. So, mean is equals to sum of fx over sum of f. Mean is 2.04, and those working steps 1 into 8 plus 2 into 8 plus 3 into x divided by the total frequency, which would be 8 plus 8 plus x. So the only unknown is x. So when we multiply this denominator over there, that is 2.04 into 16 gives me 32.64 plus 2.04x, and on right hand side this is 8 2 times 16 plus 8 is 24 plus 3x. And let me change this color. I'm taking x on right hand side, 3x minus 2.04x, and I'm left with 32.64 minus 24. 32.64 minus 24 gives me 8.64, and on right hand side 3 minus 2.04 is 0.96 x. So 8.64 divided by 0.96, I'm getting 9 exact number. So x is 9. Any objection?
No, sir.
No, sir.
B part says if the model number of goals is 3, what is the smallest possible value of x? If the mod is 3, 3 should have the highest frequency. If
Yes,
I
sir.
say x is 7, can it be the mod? If I say x is 7, can this be the mod?
Uh, no, sir.
No. If I say this is 5, can this be the mod?
No, sir.
So it has to be the greatest, and that could be more than 8,
More
which is
than
9.
it. Yes,
This
sir.
is just
Nine.
a coincidence that we are having the same number.
Yes, sir.
So least number could be 9 in this case.
Yes, sir.
This was B part.
People.
So this is 9. Last part says if the median number of goals is 2, find the largest possible value of x. I'm coming on this side. I need some writing space. This was 1, 2, and 3. This is 8, 8, and x. These were goals, and these were number of games. And the question says if the median number is 2, median is equals to 2, find the largest possible value of x. Question says largest. For understanding, we'll do both largest and least. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if I think this way, that there are 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I may have a different writing style. I'll write 1 appears 8 times. And then there's a 2, which is pretty obvious that it is also 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the other side, this is x. Now, x is something that is 3. So, how many times is 3 appearing? We do not know that. So, let's say 3, 3, and so on. It may be one time, it may be several times, but whatever I do, I have to keep 2 as median. Is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
So, when we keep 2 as median, just see, if I say this 2 is the middle number, if Haris, this is the middle number, I'm having
Yes.
8 numbers on this side. I should have 8
Eight
numbers.
number on the other
Right?
side
Yes,
also.
sir.
Any objection?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So if we have the leftmost two, these are 8 numbers. So these should be 8 also. So we already know these are 7 2s, and there would be only one. So x could be 1. If I write the new data as this is 1, 2, and 3. This is 8. This is 8. This is 1. When we have this data, is the median 2. We just did this. If I keep 1, 3, the median is 2 because we have 8 numbers on left hand side of this 2,
And eight on the other side.
8 numbers on right hand side. So this is the middle number, right?
Yes.
I'm quickly writing all this rough stuff again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones and
Two.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because this is the fixed data, we cannot change it. And now if I keep this 2 as median, now how many numbers do I have on left hand side?
Um,
You don't have to
15.
count them manually. You
Mm.
already know that. Very good, 15. You already know these were 8. You already know all of these were 8, but now we have selected one in the middle. So we are left with 7 on left hand side. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Ali, any doubt?
No, sir.
So if this is the middle two and we have 15 numbers to left, how many numbers should be on the right?
15.
15
15.
again. So may I say there are 15 times of these three?
Yes.
So I'm writing these two tables again. Goals were 1, 2, or 3. Number could be 8, 8, and if it is 1, median is still 2. On the other hand, goal and number 1, 2, and 3, 8, 8, and 15. If we have 15, median is still 2. So the largest possible, this question was for largest possible,
Yes, sir.
that is 15, and least possible is 1. So what do we do for largest? We select the rightmost. So we have a maximum numbers on left and we have maximum numbers on right to get largest. And for least, we will select the leftmost. So we have lesser numbers on left and we have lesser numbers on right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is 13.2b. Page number is 422.
422.
Question number 6. And do not forget that mean question, double mean, combined mean, kangaroo and leopards. Do retry that question and start from question 6 onwards. Do not give up.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And
Yes, sir.
try to solve maximum of the questions. All the time you save all the exercises you've already done. We'll skip those, answer the difficulties, and move on to the rest of the chapter. We are still not in the middle of the chapter, okay?
Mm.
And
Yes,
if
sir.
not wrong, we had our exam on 26th.
Yes.
Yes, sir.